Hi everybody, hello. Welcome back to Laksh Divination. Hope you guys doing amazing. Let's dive into our reading. Alright, let's go. Okay, so first raw energy that we got is the karmic gifts. Okay, this is regarding your lessons learned. Something about, okay, Temperance reverse energy. So this is regarding a karmic situation here, alright, that was not divine. Like, this is giving me an opposite of light, dark forces, right? So maybe you were dealing with dark forces here, right? Dark entities specifically, yes. And you learned your lessons. And from that I clarified and we got the Fool. So you are now heading towards your goal, heading towards your purpose, your north node. See, this is your north node. You are literally following your destiny, okay? Your true life's purpose. You're literally seeing there. And you're moving into the unknown. Literally, okay? So you have learned your lessons and you are moving forward on your journey now. And yes, you are the chosen child, no doubt. Here you are, a divine soul born with a unique mission. You are a divine soul born with a unique mission, now stepping into your spiritual leadership, right? And with the energy of 9 of Wands, such a strong spiritual strength here, right? Amazing spiritual strength, born chosen, right? Wow, you're still standing and you are the merchant of souls. Let me tell you what is a merchant. It's a past trader who has repaid their karmic debts, okay? You moved into your hermit. You literally searched for your true self here, okay? Confirmation. You searched for your true self here and you're now heading towards your self-discovery path. 9 can be significant here. See, 9 of Wands, 9 of Wands, and the major arcana 9th card, that is Hermit, okay? 9th and 9. So 9 can be significant. Cool. All right. Now we have Lion's Heart. Something about your bravery. You have been really brave and courageous on this journey towards your soul searching, right? You did not give up at all on your spiritual goals as well as your faith in the Most High, okay? And courage is your birthright. Yes, that's why, dear one, that's why the devil was after your blessings. He knows that you are of the Most High. You belong to the Most High. You're a chosen child, okay? You have that strength. The devil wanted to lure you in with various kinds of material greediness, right? As well as, what can we say, like hoarding possessions. That's why it came as Ace of Pentacles reverse. So the devil couldn't take your blessings, right? Because you are on your path, the real divine path that has been, how can I put it? That has been forged, okay, just for you. Just for you. No one else can tread that path. You carry that holy fire. See, you carry that holy fire within. Spirit cannot extinguished. Your spirit cannot be extinguished because you have the Ace of Wands. You have that divine wand in your hand. Okay? Exactly. You have the dominion over yourself, over your demons. Okay, this is your victory over your demons. Your light is too bright for the devil to enter. Exactly. Now this is regarding a shadow pact, okay? Deals with the dark entities, contracts with unseen forces. So you were being attacked, dear one. Yeah, dark entities were attacking you, who were working with the devil here with 8 of Wands energy. The attacks were coming in, okay? Because see, when I clarified, I got 9 of Cups energy. But you are protected. Your happiness is protected by your angels. See, this angel is coming in. You are being protected by your angels right now. Maybe at the night time they are sending you these attacks, okay? Maybe they are attacking your blessings at night. They are working towards something or the other, okay? To steal your blessings from the astral or in the 5D, okay? Because I have got astral attacks as well, okay? And they are working towards having this of yours, 9 of Cups energy, correct? Like all the material happiness that you have and your blessings as well, that is in the form of Ace of Pentacles, but that got in reverse with the devil here, right? So the devil wanted to take your blessings here because he knows that you've got lion's heart. You are of the Most High, okay? You're the chosen child. You have a divine mission here. He wanted to take that from you, like all of it. But it got in reverse. He couldn't, bro. Because, see, man, that blessings are yet to come to you. The blessings are in the hands of the Most High. How can he take that? Can't even think of it, bro. They are just illusions. If you are really thinking that he is gonna take that, no, that's just an illusion, bro. That's just an illusion. He can never. Okay. Now next energy is unfinished business. So the contract still binds you. Choose to complete or break it. This is regarding, yeah, this is regarding deception, man. This is regarding a deception that was, I feel like they wanted to bind you within some contract over here, okay? This was your past karmic debts. That was your unfinished business here with these people. These people were very deceptive behind your back, right? See how this person is looking back at you with the intent to destroy, to harm, to cause pain to you, right? With the 7 of Swords. 7 is not a small number here, okay? Yeah, this person wanted to cause instability, cause an unstable effect, because you are the Queen of Pentacles. See the brown eagle here. This is an eagle, right? Yeah, this is an eagle, brown eagle. Rabbits can be significant. Brown rabbits. Wow energy, right? Because you are the Queen of Pentacles. They see you. You have turned your back and you are sitting on your throne lavishly, right? See the energy of the sun. See the energy of the sun. You are looking at the brighter side of your life, okay? And that's the energy of the Most High. You're looking at him with all of your faith, okay? Your bond just is recognizable here, okay? They recognize your bond with the Most High because it's very true, the very essence of your soul, okay? Your origin is the Most High, so obviously, wow, when I see your origin is the Most High, I just got an influx of energy within me right now. Wow, amazing energy. Wow. Yeah, this deception was caught red-handed. These perpetrators have been caught red-handed, right? Evidence will expose the guilty. Wow, some evidence has been got, like have been caught here, okay, have been collected here, maybe. Yeah, this was a relationship situation, right? with the Two of Cups energy. You thought that this person can be your divine counterpart, but this person was actually a demon inside, or had a demon inside, right? Yeah, with Judgment. Judgment is here. Again, eagles are significant. Again, the Most High. The Holy Spirit is here, okay? This is the Holy Spirit and the Most High. See, the Most High and Holy Spirit are coinciding. Why? Because the Holy Spirit acts as the senses of the Most High, okay? It's all prevailing, all pervasive. Yeah, the Holy Spirit is all pervasive. It's listening us each and every second here. Exactly. The sense organs of the Most High. See, the golden egg. The golden egg. These are the blessings, okay? These are the blessings in your hand, and the Judgment is here. Something about your justice, okay? Something that you should get in the end. Because of the injustice in this partnership, alright? In this partnership. Now, yeah, as I told you, astral attack energy came out, bro. Spiritual warfare in the dream realm. No doubt that I have channeled this long ago, okay? Not long ago, but last week. See, justice is here, as I told you. Judgment as well as justice, man. Cannot make this shit up, bro. See, look. Even if they are different decks, but 21-22, this is progress, bro. You're getting your justice, okay? And you're getting back whatever belongs to you. Whatever belongs to you, you're getting back. Whatever these perpetrators wanted to steal from you, you are getting back. Okay? Justice is here. Red color is significant. Golden color is significant. Again, see the crown, man. You are anointed. This is a very beautiful deck. I don't know. This is a very beautiful deck, by the way. And it's very meaningful as well. So with the Justice, we got clarification card as Three of Wands energy. Again, the Most High is here. Okay. Enlightening your path. You have that wand. You have that chakras aligned. Okay. You are aligning opposing forces inside of you. Again, what I have told you in previous readings, that you are actually balancing water element with fire element right now inside you. You are balancing, harmonizing equally opposing forces inside you with a very beautiful wand that is your inner power, okay? Inner strength. Intuition that is guiding you right now on your path. See the barren land? No matter what adversities are here, again, red color is very significant, okay, in your case. No matter what adversities are there, the Most High is enlightening your path and you are following His instructions. Yeah, as your higher self. Exactly. Now, last but not the least, narcissistic pride. So whoever deceived you, okay, whoever tried to steal from you, take from you, whatever you want to say, okay, whatever you resonate with, these people are narcissists, right? Self-admiration, okay, these people, oh my god, like, I can't even express this. Egocentric vanity, okay, something about these people's illusions. See, these are self-made illusions that they are trapped in. They think of themselves as something, you know, of royalty, right? These people are really stupid to even think that, okay, that they are something. They are nothing, to be really honest, okay? Eight of Swords energy. They are delusional people, delululus, okay, as I keep telling you. And with the Two of Coins, bro, they are literally juggling right now to make sense of everything, okay, to make sense of the stability that's coming to you. They are not, see, they are not able to balance themselves right now. they are unbalanced, they are unhinged people, okay, and they are literally juggling. They are not even able to juggle two things at a time, and moreover, and on the top of that, they think that they are some kind of vanity. And this is their Eight of Swords energy. Okay, bottom of the deck energy is again the Fool. The energy that we started with is the energy that we are ending with. 0 and 0. Again, you have closed major cycles in your life if you haven't recognized it yet or realized it yet. Okay, you have closed major cycles in your waking life, okay, especially this life, and this birth is very significant for you. Okay, see the endless bounty that you hold within yourself, because you come from a lineage that's really royal. Okay, and with this energy we got another bottom of the deck energy, that is Five of Cups. The Five of Cups is telling me about these people's regret. Okay, again, dark people here, color black, right? So these people are not of light, correct? See, I am getting that these people never cherished you. See the blessings that are already here upright. They always look at what is absent from their life. Okay, that is, again, this is devilish. Okay, that's devilish. Desires, possession, okay, money hoarding, whatever. Okay, lustful energies, all the things, you know, that they don't have, they will always look at it, but they never looked at you. Okay, they never looked at those 2 cups. Okay, 2 cups, literally. Again, somebody denied that partnership. Yeah, where's that partnership? The 2 of Cups. Okay, where this person is caught red-handed. Yeah, this is that 2 of Cups energy. Always denied, always in denial, always at the back burner. This is that energy. That's why this energy is not healthy. Okay, that's why it turned toxic, because this person is shady, has always been shady, not transparent. Okay, black. I'm getting that this person is in black deeds. Okay, bad deeds, black deeds, spell work, whatever. So yeah, this person always wanted something that crumbled at the end, literally. But this relationship, this partnership that they never looked, that they put at the back burner, this was the ultimate blessing. This was the ultimate blessing. Everything crumbled down. This person will see everything will crumble down in front of this person. Okay, in front of this person's eyes, but this relationship will still stand strong. Okay, and this is the only thing that this person, you know, ultimately destroyed. Amazing energy came out of this deck, man. Yeah, and by the way, I wanted to tell you about this Fool card. That, see, this is the Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit, you are looking at the Holy Spirit, man. Okay, you are being guided by the Holy Spirit. You're following the Holy Spirit's instructions. Amazing. So this was the reading. Yeah, let me give you some guidance. What does the collective needs to know? Thank you, Anima. What does the collective needs to know? Okay. Alright, let's start shuffling. What does the collective needs to know the most? Thank you, Anima. a lot of came out. Let us see. Okay, first is blink and it's gone. An opportunity is short-lived. Quick decisions needed. Okay, I feel like that when an opportunity will arise, okay, this will be a divine opportunity and you have to use your intuition, okay, you have to use your discernment, because this opportunity will be like, say yes or no, that's it, and it will be gone. So you won't have much time, so you have to be ready, okay, to grab this opportunity on the right time. Next energy, that is momentum builds. Things are gaining speed. Acceleration is required. Yeah, quick decision making, okay, acceleration required. Something about you being, you are quantum jumping right now, okay, against the odds. Victory despite challenges. You are defying expectations. Success is possible even in adversity. This is regarding your Three of Wands energy, okay, exactly. This is this energy against the odds. Lunar eclipse. I feel like major endings happened around this time for you. You released emotionally, you purged a lot of emotions, okay. Now you are doing shadow work, okay, and this led to your spiritual awakening as well. Something about a puppeteer here. Puppeteer is the devil, bro. Who else is gonna be the puppeteer in this case, okay? Someone is pulling the strings, be cautious. So the devil is pulling the strings here, okay? Be cautious. Hurry up and wait. I feel like this is regarding the timing. The timing is off. Be patient, be calm. Things will unfold in divine timing. Trust the process. This is the energy that I'm getting. Things will unfold in the divine timing. Trust the process. Karmic clock. Time loops repeating until the lesson is learned. Cycles and patterns. So this is regarding, I feel like someone is still in this energy, okay, still in the karmic energy, right, until the lesson is learned. This is the karmic clock going on for somebody here. Detour ahead. Redirection. So you are being redirected, okay. Again, a hidden opportunity lies within the change. Plans are shifting, so be flexible. Yeah, be flexible. So this is giving me this energy, blink and it's gone energy, okay, because there is a detour ahead. You have to be flexible in decision making, correct? You're being redirected, so quick decision making is required right now. Please take the right decision, okay? All right. Last but not the least, you are the glitch in the matrix. Why? Because you are the chosen child, right? Exactly. Trust your gut. It says something feels off. Trust your gut. Pay attention to subtle anomalies. Reality is shifting unexpectedly. Sometimes people throw spells to make you feel delusional, okay? Make you feel like nothing is working for you, alright? Or nothing will work for you ever. But that's, again, 8 of Swords energy. You should not be in that energy because that's not even meant for you, okay? Alright. So I cut off the reading here. Thank you so much for joining in, tuning in. I'll meet you in the next message. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Divine Rising and ciao.